I'm lining my lips with a black eye pencil. I'm done with lining my lips. So today I'm going to use anyanwu. I'm going to draw the sign of the sun on my forehead. Just a little circle. And I'm going to use the unzu. The unzu is for purification, and the unzu is for ichoma. So actually choma, choma. I've poured water into the unzu, the open part. I'm going to paint my forehead. Okay, this is the part I circled, so I've painted it. I'm going to make dots around it to show the rays of the sun. Okay, then I'm going to make dots under my eye. So we all know that the unzu is for ichoma. You find this unzu at the bottom of a river. It is for purification. It's a sign of purification. It's a thing that you use to beautify yourself in Igbo land. Use it to purify yourself. I hope you like this makeup. I've taught how to tie your hair tie, your ichafu on my channel. So if you have not learned how to tie ichafu, you should learn how to tie ichafu. Whenever you're going for occasions, you should tie your ichafu and do your makeup as an Igbo person. See how beautiful it looks. Just a little twist